Hi everybody, and welcome to video 11 in our fall foliage project. Now this is going to be our flip through, and I'm going to take you through here and tell you a little bit about what we did as well. The first thing that you're going to notice is the stenciling on the file folder. This is made from 3 file folders, and we cut them down to size. I used the kit Fall Foliage by Victoria Designs, but of course you can use any kind of a fall themed or any themed kit that you want to use. So to do this, I used this stencil. I used this stencil, and then I used 2 different colors. One of the colors was Rusty Hinge, and the other color I used, believe it or not, was frayed burlap. So I used frayed burlap and Rusty Hinge to get these colors. Now you'll see farther back that there's actually, this doesn't necessarily look as much like 2 colors right here, but it is. And then we also used gathered twigs to do the inking around the edges, the highlight inking, and the inking around the ephemera, the cards, the windows, the envelopes, you know what I mean, all that stuff. So the front part is a mini envelope stack consisting of just 2 envelopes. And what I did was I put this card in here first, this flying squirrel. Okay. Then you undo this, and it opens this way. Whoops, there we go. Opens this way, and there's 2 cards in these little double pockets, and then of course this beautiful image. Then you close this back, and there's a magnet that holds this shut, and it opens this way, and there's a tag here. There's a card here, and this card right here, the rest of it, after I cut it out, is what I made this card out of. Now, on the front, this is a card as well, and they have the same backing papers. I thought this one turned out really well as far as the image placement. And of course, since it's folded back to back, you can also open it out like this, and then you can open it out like that, which is what we just looked at. Okay, so then we're going to put our card in. It's easier that way. And put it leaves out. Okay, and then you just spin this back around, and it holds it shut. Then we're going to open it up to page 1, and that's going to have a full belly band with this cute little chipmunk on it, sitting on the mushrooms, and a full-size writing card, which has been stamped on the back. Then page 2 has, this is not page 2, this is part of page 1. This is page 1. The magnet isn't holding very well because this is so heavy. You can see the magnets there. It just doesn't want to hold it very well. So this is page 1, and it's got an envelope that opens this way. There's a tag in here, obviously because of the tab. Then you open it up, and in this pocket is a long tag and 3 little file folders. Then down here are some stamps, obviously holding in a couple little pictures and a couple small stamps, and then the belly band that we just looked at. Now this page we had fun making. This is page 2, and we lined everything up so that the image is like one full page, well, sort of full page. Then when you open this up, it goes to the top of another picture, and then a writing space here. And then this one goes to the middle of this one, but that's also got writing space. Then this one opens this way, and there's some more writing space for you. This one opens to the top of a third page. Here's the middle of the third page with writing space. And here's the bottom of the third page with a graphic and a little bit of writing space. We're not done. Then it keeps going onto the back. And this is a fourth page. I really had a lot of fun doing that. Maybe I shouldn't tell you my trade secret on how I did it, but some of you may figure it out. This is, these are scraps that I had from when I cut the tops off of the folders. So this is the center fold right here. This is the score lines. So I folded it at the score line, and all I did was glue it down this area. And then that gave me the double flaps this way. It was fun. We had fun doing that. Then on this side, which is still part of the same page, I have these 3 leaves, which are ephemera from the kit. And then we have a belly band with another large writing card. There's not a whole lot of writing space in this one. Well, this is like you're having a little journal in the middle, because there's a lot of writing space on this. There's double magnets in here. So this sticks to that, and then this one sticks to this one. There you go. Now you can hear it. I forgot what I was saying. Anyway, onward and upward. Then you turn the page here. I always get this wrong. And you have a pocket here and a pocket here. Okay. Then you have a small pocket here at the top. I accidentally punched it at the top, so we put a little tag. There's a little tag in there. And then a tag here. Then this opens up, and that's where it's easier to grab that tag. Once you open it up, then you've got the tag. Kind of hard to get your finger in there otherwise. And then this flips open, and you have a large writing area. On this side is a pocket with a tag inside with writing space on the back. Then on this side you have a flip up, and I'm just going to hold it for now. I love this image. Oh, this little word botanical holds this little tiny piece of ephemera. And then you flip it up, and there's this really cool image. Oops, the pocket was so well hidden that I forgot to put a tag in there. Look at that. There's a hidden pocket right here, or a hidden tuck. And I totally forgot to put anything in there. That's like the funniest thing ever. And here I'm like, and this is a beautiful image. And then I realized, wait a minute, we did a cutout right here for its stair steps, and it matches the page. How silly of me. Anyway, I'm not going to do a second flip through. There's no reason. You guys know what a writing card looks like. And then on this is a a pocket with a card inside. Come on, card. Never try to take them out. They're always stuck in the glue. There we go. It goes in like that. And then the word herborium. I don't know why I'm having trouble with my words. Foliage. There we go. Fall foliage. And then some ephemera here. And then this flips back down. And then you turn the page again, and there's a card in here. There's a large writing card in here. That's the back, which is stenciled. And this is the front, which gives you a large writing area. I'm very pleased, even though I'm having a little trouble with some of the tags, how well they're going back in. There we go. Now I got it. All right, now on this one, this is a much simpler page than what it looks like. These are just 2 pockets, or tucks actually, 2 tucks, and then 2 writing cards that have been stamped on the back. I don't know if I said stencil on the other ones, but they're stamped. None of them are stenciled on the back. And then the same on this one, only it's a different it's the other end of this really cool set of stamps that I got. And I got one more. There's one more in the set. Or they're not a set. I bought them separately. I got them on Temu. Of course I did. And you could, if you wanted to, even right here. Then on page 6 is a flip down. And I just love this image right here. I don't want to talk about getting it centered. It's just a topic I don't want to go into. And so this flips down, and we have this really great image here. This kit had so many beautiful images. I did not mind making, showcasing them, and not necessarily putting something on every single page. We have a lot of stuff. We have cards and flip outs and things like that, and flip downs and everything. And so you know what I mean? I didn't feel the need to put something on every single page. And so here's a card with a belly band and a little mushroom ephemera. And then this flips back up. It's held by a magnet. And then on the back is a large pocket. When you take this card out, when you take this card out, then you realize it's a hidden pocket with all the text and everything lining up. You can tell on this one because the book is rounded, so it, you know, kind of pops up a little bit. And so that's it for this fall foliage journal, folio, whatever you'd like to call it. Of course, the very last card is the one that doesn't want to go back in. I'm just going to leave it a little crooked. Oh, my spinner. That's what caught on this up here. I heard something catch, but I wasn't sure what it was. So that goes in there. That goes on there. Okay? So that's it for me for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching and for following along with this series. And the next video will be just a second for you, and guess what? It'll be a day for me. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.